Finally, you managed to make your first profits, but now you're wondering how to withdraw them. Great, with today, I want to guide you on how to withdraw your funds and profits directly from the broker FPMarkets. FPMarkets is one of the very few multi-regulated brokers. Specifically, FPMarkets is also certified by CONSOB as well as SISEC, ASIC, and offers various methods for its clients. For withdrawal. In this video, we will see how to make a withdrawal from any of the accounts you might have within your account in just a few minutes. But before we start, I invite you to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and activate notifications. This way, you won't miss any of the upcoming guides that I will publish in my future content. What do you need to know before making a withdrawal? First of all, FPMarkets, being a regulated broker that has been in the market since 2005 requires some precautions to make withdrawals. This is to protect, of course, always the client. So, when you want to make a withdrawal, you need to ensure that you have entered all the data. Within your account, make sure you have verified your documents to complete all the information properly. You must then comply with anti-money laundering policies. So, within the first 180 days from the first deposit, you will need to withdraw using the same method you used to deposit the initial funds into your account. After these 180 days have passed, you can also use other methods, which is why I do not recommend using virtual cards or virtual IBANs, neither for deposits nor for withdrawals. If you do not yet have an account with FPMarkets, I am leaving the link below in the description for you to create one. Last point, before moving on to the practical part, the withdrawal times vary, depending on the method you choose. Now, when we go to screen sharing, I will talk about it a bit more in depth. So, let's not waste time chatting, let's go to screen sharing. Let's log into our account so I can show you everything. Here we are then inside our FPMarkets account dashboard, where we have the list of all the accounts we have active. To make our withdrawal, we need to go to the section Funding. Open the drop-down menu, go to the selection Withdrawal, Withdraw, and we will be redirected to the page that will ask us from which account we would like to withdraw our funds. Regardless of the type of platform, I can withdraw from all of my accounts. Obviously, one at a time, I will select this account. Here, I will be able to withdraw via credit or debit card. It usually takes from 1 to 10 days, but they are generally very fast. Withdrawals can arrive in just 2 days. The minimum withdrawal is 1 cent. You just need to click on the card, select the total amount you want to withdraw, and choose the card with which you want to make the withdrawal. For example, with this card, I deposited 6,700 euros and I will select this card to make my withdrawal. At the moment I click on Submit, I will receive a confirmation via email.
The second alternative is a bank transfer. So here too the minimum withdrawal is $100 from 1 to 10 working days, same as before. Here too they are very fast, usually arriving in a couple of days. If I have never made a deposit via bank transfer, I will be asked if I have already entered my information. I will have to click on No and then answer these simple questions. So I will select the account from which I want to withdraw, select my country, in this case either Australia or the rest of the world. I click on the rest of the world and then enter the various details related to my bank account. Additionally, as the final step, I need to provide a bank statement as actual proof of account ownership and upload it here. Once I have provided all the information, I click on Submit and will receive confirmation of the withdraw via email. The last withdrawal method available through FPMarkets is cryptocurrencies, which usually take just a few minutes. The minimum is 25 USDT. I just need to click on it, choose the total amount I want to withdraw, select the cryptocurrency I want to use for the withdrawal. In this case, I choose Litecoin and enter the address. I can also use USDT TRC20. Being careful about the network, I will use also from the address where I want to make the deposit, whether it's TRC20 or TRC20. I will enter the withdrawal address here and click on Submit. There you go, done. Now you know exactly how you can directly withdraw your funds from FPMarkets. I remind you that withdrawal times vary depending on the type of method you choose, and that within the first 180 days from the first deposit, you will need to use the same method that you used to deposit the money initially. If you don't yet have an account with FPMarkets, I'll leave the link below in the description to create one. If this video was helpful to you, I invite you to leave a like, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss all the upcoming content. And if you have any questions, feel free to write them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you.